Hey guys, Tab here with Real Michigan Anglers, and today we're going to do the picking of the winners for the subscriber giveaway. I appreciate everybody who commented and all the new subscribers. I have officially hit 1,000, and I have officially hit enough watch hours to get my videos monetized, so that's really exciting for me. And I'm also really excited to get this stuff into the hands of somebody who's going to enjoy it. So I've got a random comment picker, this website, commentpicker.com. So I've got it to filter anybody that commented entered me to win. Before I do this, if the winner who is picked does not meet the criteria, I will re-pick a second winner. The criteria is that you be subscribed to the channel, enter comment to win, and you have to live in the USA. So, if you are the winner, all you have to do is email me your address, and I will ship this stuff out to you. You're going to send that to realmichigananglers@gmail.com. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to put this on camera and make sure that you all can see it live, real time. Start. Nope, it's not going to work this time. Okay, I think I had to do that part first. So 114 comments, so there's 114 minus a few people who maybe didn't follow the rules. Chance. Here we go. Drew Stalings. Awesome. Congratulations, dude. Make sure you send me that email at realmichigananglers@gmail.com, and I'm going to send you some stuff. Congratulations, buddy. Just for fun, I'm going to throw in a little montage of some of my favorite fish pictures from this year. And guys, stay tuned. I've got a bunch of videos coming. I've got like 3 that are basically done and ready to go. And tomorrow I'm going steelhead fishing. So maybe some steelhead videos soon. There's definitely some salmon videos still coming because I'm still catching them somehow. And I've started going after some pike again. I haven't gotten into any yet, but I've seen a couple, and I caught some nice dogfish the other day. So got some cool stuff coming. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for another giveaway somewhere down the road. I appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. For more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.